back with the nicest guy I know, Hugh Jackman. Over the years, I've talked about many things on this show, but there are definitely some that, well, stand out. I know that because you guys tell me all the time. So we did a little informal poll. Today, Hugh is going to help me unveil the top 3 Dr. Oz favorites. You ready?
I'm ready.
Are you scared?
No. Should I be?
You should be. All right. Are you ready? The number 3 Oz favorite is... Oh, the neti pot. The neti pot. So, have you ever tried neti pots?
I've done it once before. The Broadway thing where I had something this up the nose. Yes.
All right, you ready to go? All right, so it's got to be warm water, obviously.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it feels like you're drowning in the pool. A little salt in there.
Hang on. Just remind me. So
You pour it in the right nostril.
Yep.
And then it's going to come out your left nostril. Don't move till it comes out. And you got to hit the bowl. Are you ready?
Okay.
Now, you can't block the nose. It's got to come
Of
out.
course.
All right, go.
Oh.
There it goes. Where's yours? Oh, there, book. Come here.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you got it. He's got it. And we're done.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's good.
Whoa. Oh, that feels good. Oh. Woo. Woo. Now we walk.
Oh, yep.
What was that
Great.
like for you?
Awesome. I should do that more often.
Cleans the sinuses pretty good.
Exactly.
Oh.
I should have done that before picking my nose shot.
Yes, but now we have both. They're going to go together in the tabloids. All right. Are you ready to unveil?
By the way, now I am frightened.
It's getting worse. Oz's favorite number 2 is... Purple gloves, my friend.
I was about to say, please tell me we're not eating this.
So I've seen Hugh with a shirt off. And he actually has none of this in him, but this is called the omentum. So you go ahead and pick that up.
Yeah.
The omentum is the fat pad that's under the skin in the front. Now, normally it's supposed to be very thin, almost like pantyhose. You see, I can sort of see through that?
Yeah.
Right? Now, you hold that one up.
Okay.
This is what happens if you're not eating right. This becomes your omentum.
Wow.
Literally the same tissue.
Wow.
Pretty
Hang on,
big.
this is the actual stuff?
This is it. This is the real, this is someone's omentum.
Wow.
They passed away, and we used our organs to teach. So that's a thin person's omentum. Same exact person, if they put on 30, 40 pounds, would have something like this inside of them.
Wow.
Feel that? I mean, it is ponderously big.
Wow.
Have you ever been heavy?
Once for a film I had to do that got cancelled a week before.
Oh, gosh.
I really enjoyed getting heavy.
Come on back over here and get the last one. We have the number 1 Oz favorite. You stay on that side.
Sorry, man. Get rid of
We're going to reveal this together.
Okay.
All right, are you ready?
Yep.
Let's do the honors. Straight up. It is.
Oh! Yeah!
This is important. It's the Bristol Stools chart. This chart actually doctors use to audit what's coming out of our body. Now, I know Hugh's fascinated by this, but see these little pebbles here?
Yeah.
That's not what you want coming out.
Well, this was my last week. 7 days. This was
7
me.
days, the whole thing?
Yeah.
I mean, you don't want to be on this end here. This is sort of the, not gold standard, we'll say, like a bar shape. But here's the thing.
Yep.
It obviously is telling you about constipation or loose bowels, but what it really could tell you, if you looked at it, is all the things that's coming out of your body. Now, I have to ask, do you look after you go to the bathroom?
A little. Occasionally. I wouldn't say religiously, no.
Do you have a good ear? You do, right? You're a
Yeah.
singer. All right, so we're going to do it. So I want you to close your eyes,
Okay.
and I'm going to play what you might hear in the bathroom, all right? And you tell me which one sounds like you.
Okay.
Are you ready? Does
Yep.
it sound like this? Or does it sound like this?
Oh.
Or is it more like a diver hitting the water in Acapulco?
Oh, that's a beauty. That's the one.
That's it?
That's the one.
That's the one. It's
That's
the
the
4.
one.
Hugh Jackman, thank you so much for coming on. Now I want you to think of me next time you go to the bathroom.
I will.
Every
Absolutely.
time. We'll
And
be
I'm
right
looking. I'm gonna look.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.